Hello friends, welcome to this session of Wealth Creation Mindset. I am Saurabh Gupta, Chartered Accountant by profession. So this is the steps which you need to follow for process of financial independence, or we can say personal finance. First of all, we need to set our financial goal. If we don't have a financial goal, we don't know where exactly we need to go. So you have to set your financial goals short term, mid term, as well as long term. शॉर्ट टर्म 1 साल 1.5 साल 2 साल तक, मिड टर्म 2 से 5 साल तक, और 5 साल से ऊपर आपका लॉन्ग टर्म गोल. देन यू नीड टू फॉलो अ बजट, मंथली, हाफ ईयरली, एनुअली. बजट इज समथिंग विच पीपल डोंट प्रेफर टू फॉलो और क्रिएट, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि आई नो वेयर माई मनी इज गोइंग, बट इट्स नॉट द सेम. ट्रस्ट मी, till the time you are not making budget, you are not aware where your money is going. So try to prepare your budget for only 2 months. Once you prepare your budget for 2 months, you will get to know where exactly you are spending. What are wishful expenditures? What are the expenditures which you can curtail? What are the expenditures which you have made? It may also so happen that you may realize that you have more money and you are spending less. So I suggest that you should prepare a budget for monthly, half yearly, and annually. If this exercise is done one time, trust me, you are able to save a lot of your money which is flowing into some things which might not be that great or useful to you. Then the next step is to protect yourself. Yourself means you and your family. So you can protect yourself and your family with the help of insurance. So term insurance as well as health insurance. These two are the primary things. When I say term insurance, it means pure term insurance. There is no traditional plan, no ULIP, nothing. And health insurance means health insurance. You may go to policybazaar.com or any other similar portal, Easy Insurance or something, Paytm, where you can actually evaluate what are the various insurance available in the market, what are their features. Once you compare the features, try to talk to your friends to understand how are their experiences, and then go for the best insurance company. Next is building up of emergency fund. At least 6 months expenditure you should keep aside in fixed deposit or index funds or something which is available to you immediately. 6 month expenditure, monthly expenditure, how you can calculate? Again with the help of budget. So budget is important. 6 months expenditure actually keeping in your pocket will also give you a sense of satisfaction that in case if so happen that you may miss out your job, then at least you have something to rely on, right? So there will be no panic situation. So after insurance, you have to go for building of emergency fund. Then whatever you are having, you can think of investing it. Investing in your savings. Save and investment are two different things. Save means just you are protecting, you are not spending that money. And investing is when you are actually spending that money into something which is an asset, which is creating a revenue or an income, generating an income for it, right? There are many rules to save and invest your money: 50-30-20 rule, 100 minus equity rule, 72 rules, which we will explain later. Then after that you have to manage your debt. There are good loans, there are bad loans. What are good loans? Good loans are the loans which you take to buy asset. What are asset? Asset are those things which generate cash flow, which generate some income, whose value appreciate, right? So car is a depreciating asset. Any loan which is taken to buy a car, if you are using the car for personal use, it's a depreciating asset. If you are using the car to generate revenue like Ola, Uber, it is a it is an asset, and then the loan taken for that car is of course good, right? So similarly, gold taken for a house property where you want to stay may be a bad loan. And if you can if you have to buy, of course we Indians are very much related or associated with one home. So in that case, if you are taking a whole loan, to stay or live, there is a different set of principles or rules which you need to follow. And if you want to buy a house property so that you get put it on rent and can earn passive income, then it is a good loan, right? Then you have to plan for taxes, save taxes if you can. There is a difference between tax avoidance, tax evasion, and saving tax within the limits permissible by the government of India income tax department is good. You can plan your taxes rather than don't avoid taxes. Don't fall for the people who says ki I can get you refund or lower your income. Trust me, in the long run these all things nothing will help. One more most important thing which I always talk about is enjoy the journey. Don't wait for destination to come. So your destination, you may have short term, mid term, long term goals, but during this period you need to enjoy, because there are many incidents where we understand the people have not reached their destination. So you have to enjoy this journey while you are earning wealth. Even the basic rule 50-30-20 says that you need to spend on the wants. You need to save 20%, but you need to spend on wants as well, which includes your lifestyle, entertainment, and everything, right? Once you are able to enjoy your journey, you will be more excited to reach your destination. Once the things set in place, then you need to reinvest the money which you are earning in such a way that your income can be generated from different sources and you have passive streams of income. I have prepared an Excel sheet where I will suggest you how and where you can reinvest the income which you are earning through your investments. I am hopeful that this process of personal finance, if you follow this in a disciplined way, will surely help you to gain some kind of financial freedom. Of course, not very sure that how you are going to invest your money, where you are going to invest your money, but yes, if you invest your money in decent or disciplined manner, you will be gaining good returns out of it and you will be making your life better. So all this in this video, and I will be preparing a detailed video very soon to help you understand different steps of personal finance. Thank you so much for listening.